In this video, we'll show you how to download and set up the SmartMesh Tango application on your smartphone. You need to visit https://smartmesh.io/app, where you can download the iOS or Android version of Tango. In this video, we'll focus on the Android application. Please click on the Download Android button. I have already downloaded it on my phone, and first-time users will do something similar. In my case, I access the downloads to install the application. Once the application is installed, you need to open it. Just grant all the permissions for this application. For first-time users, create a new user account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Create username. In this example, I'm using test_ACC as the username. And select a password of your preference. Confirm the password. And click on Sign Up. Now you need to create a wallet account on your phone. To create a wallet account, you can either click Import Account into this Tango application if you already have a wallet. Otherwise, click on Create Account to create a new wallet account, which we show now. For example, the wallet account name is test_ACC1. Then enter the wallet account password of your preference. You can also set up a password hint. Click on Create Account. Once the wallet account is created, click on Backup Account to continue. You enter the wallet account password, which you have just provided. Next, you will see a sequence of an ordered list of 12 mnemonic words, which you must save. Keep the sequence in a safe place and do not disclose to anyone. This sequence will be used to recover your wallet account if needed. Just for this demo, I'm going to screenshot this. Click on Next and enter the words in the sequence as requested. Once it's confirmed, your wallet will be created, and you will see your wallet on the screen now. Here, you can keep SMT, MLT, Mesh, and SRC20 cryptocurrencies in this wallet. You can also switch between different wallet accounts. You can create another wallet account or import another wallet account and keep multiple wallet accounts here. You can also play around with the application and learn more about it. Thank you.